Hello and welcome to LearnFlash.com. Thank you for purchasing this Beginner's ActionScript 2.0 video training course. My name is Craig Campbell and I will be your instructor for the duration of this course. Now let me talk with you a moment about what you can expect from this video series. First of all, if you've never used Flash before, then this course is not for you. For the purpose of this course, I'm assuming that you have a basic knowledge of how to get around in Flash. If you don't know anything, for example, about motion tweens, shape tweens, movie clip symbols, button symbols, frame-by-frame animation, or drawing in Flash, then I would suggest that you take a look at our Introduction to Flash video series before you move on with this one. Otherwise, if you are familiar with the basics of Flash, then you're probably good to go. So what exactly is ActionScript? If you've used Flash for any length of time, then you've most likely heard of ActionScript, and you've probably even used some of it in your Flash work. For example, if you've ever put a stop action on a frame in order to keep an animation from playing, then you've already used ActionScript. ActionScript is simply a scripting language, somewhat similar to JavaScript, that is used to make Flash more interactive. And unless you're using Flash purely for animation purposes, then it's virtually impossible to get very far without having some kind of foundation in ActionScript. Now, if you consider yourself a designer and not a developer, and if you've never even touched a programming language or scripting language before, then the idea of learning ActionScript may seem like a daunting task. However, you'll find as we move through this video series that it's really not as difficult as you might think. So, enough about that. Let's move on and take a look at some ActionScript.